new precision looks and exceptional performance upgrades, made both for the field and on the range. The air cylinder holds much more high-pressure air, 24 cubic inches in fact. And its max pressure has been increased to 4,500 psi, giving you more shots than ever before. The pressure regulator has been boosted, which means more accuracy at longer range and more energy on impact. All this big power production from the Gauntlet 2 makes it capable of sending heavy ammo, and the power is complemented by its attractive newly designed, adjustable, precision-style stock. It has an aluminum Picatinny and dovetail rail combination to accommodate your unique optic mounting style. M-lock slots on 3 sides for the quick addition of a bipod and accessories. A quick connect sling mount attachment port at the rear of the stock. And an easy-to-grip knurled bolt handle, only before seen on custom gauntlets, all without adding any additional weight. Even with all the power and upgrades, you'll enjoy a reduced cocking force, the use of standard multi-shot gauntlet magazines, and a reduced muzzle report with its new 4-baffle design and fully shrouded barrel. You can order the Umarex Gauntlet 2 in either 22 or 25 caliber. The 22 caliber Gauntlet 2 delivers a regulated pressure of 1900 psi and up to 1100 feet per second, providing as many as 120 shots on one fill in its tank. The 25 caliber Gauntlet 2 features a regulated pressure of 2100 psi, pushing 25 caliber projectiles over 1000 feet per second with as many as 100 shots per fill. Don't miss out on your opportunity to run the gauntlet. Get your order in for the new Umarex Gauntlet 2 today.
Collection is complete without the 1022 air rifle. The resemblance and attention to detail on this pellet rifle is remarkable. This 10-shot double-action repeater uses 2 12-gram CO2 capsules to propel 177 airgun pellets up to 650 feet per second. Authentic in multiple ways, the Ruger 1022 air rifle's box magazine sits flush with the bottom of the stock. Inside, a red rotary mag holds 10 pellets. Its front sight is a gold bead, and the rear is a double notch that folds flat. 4 holes are drilled and tapped in the receiver for the installation of a rail. Shoot in double action or manually actuate the bolt for a light, crisp trigger. Buy the Ruger 1022 air rifle from your favorite airgun dealer today.
Umarex Throttle is the first air rifle to include the patent-pending vibration-reducing stop shocks, an innovative device specifically designed to absorb shock, vibration, and recoil in air rifles. It works in conjunction with a floating action stock to create a unique combination that systematically reduces the shock created by a break barrel air rifle's powerful piston. The stop shock system absorbs the force generated by the piston, creating a steadier shot by allowing the pellet to exit the barrel more smoothly. It also protects the scope from excess vibration and shock. Available in either 177 or 22 caliber, the Throttle is loaded with airgun technology. It's a powerful pellet rifle that combines the new Stop Shock's vibration-absorbing innovation with the Umarex ARex gas piston, the Silence Air 5-chamber noise dampener, and the Umarex lockdown mount. The features don't stop there. The Umarex Throttle has an automatic safety, adjustable trigger, rubber recoil pad, and is backed in the U.S. by a 3-year warranty. It comes equipped with a unique black all-weather stock, automatic safety, and a 3-9x32 adjustable objective scope ready to put your target in plain view. Knockdown power for small game and pest control is delivered by its ARex power plant that generates 1,000 feet per second with a 22 caliber alloy pellet and 800 feet per second with lead airgun ammunition. The 177 caliber Throttle excels at 1,200 feet per second. That's 818 miles an hour. Get the most technologically advanced break barrel air rifle on the market. Get an Umarex Throttle. Search for it online and ask your local sporting goods retailer for the Umarex Throttle today.
The Umarex ARex is a break barrel air rifle that fires one pellet at a time. Just break open the barrel to expose the breech. Insert a 177 caliber pellet head first, then close the barrel. This charges the rifle by compressing its TNT turbo nitrogen technology gas piston, making it poised to zip a pellet at a target up to 1,250 feet per second. You'll enjoy shooting this modern and sleek air rifle. The Umarex ARex uses the technologically advanced stop shock system that absorbs the rifle's recoil, making it easier to shoot. Its silence air moderator keeps the noise down, and the metal Picatinny rail makes it easy to mount the included 3-9x32 scope with adjustable objective. And just in case you prefer open sights, the ARex has fiber optic sights for your close range and quick acquisition situations. Get your own Umarex ARex pellet rifle today. Rifle is ideal for pest control and target shooting. The Umarex Fuel zips 177 caliber non-lead pellets out of the muzzle up to 1,200 feet per second. It utilizes a simple one-stroke cocking mechanism that generates 18 foot-pounds of energy at the muzzle with a lead pellet. The Umarex Fuel comes with fiber optic sights and a 3x9x32 rifle scope that mounts easily to the lockdown rail. And its built-in fold-down bipod makes it great for shooting in the prone position or on a bench. This rifle also incorporates the Umarex Silence Air Noise Reducer, making it quiet on top of giving it a great look. Ask or search for the Umarex Fuel pellet rifle from your favorite.
Thanks for watching. Product buying link given in description.